Well, sir, it's early evening as we enter the small house halfway up in the next block now. And here in the living room we find Mr. Rushcook all by himself. The young man is at the telephone, chatting with his close friend, Bluetooth Johnson. Listen.
Gee, Bluetooth, I'd like to, but I guess I hadn't better. No, I got a whole slew of algebra problems to work. Yeah. They don't look like they're going to be very hard, but there's 8 or 9 of them. Uh-huh. Who all's going to the YMCA? Oh? How about Vernon Pagels? Uh-huh. Well, he's in the same algebra class I am, so most likely he's home working problems, too. Yeah.
In the living room, Sadie?
Just a second, Bluetooth. Hi.
Hello, Rush.
Come on in.
Fine.
Uncle Fletcher, Bluetooth. Yeah. Well, have a good time watching the fat men play handball, fella. Sorry I can't go along. You bet. Okay, see you tomorrow, Bluetooth. Bye.
Evening, Rush.
Evening, Uncle Fletcher.
Talking to somebody on the telephone, I expect.
Just finished.
Uh-huh. Your mother upstairs?
No, her and Gov went over to Mr. and Miss Stembottom's to play cards.
Is that a fact?
Yeah. Sit down.
Believe it will. Over playing cards at Ted Stembottom's, huh? What'd you know about that?
They only left about 10 minutes ago.
Fine. You're a good boy, Rush.
Thanks.
Busy doing something, are you?
Working algebra problem.
Oh?
It's a darn nuisance.
I'll help you.
No.
I'll help you, by George. It ain't against the rules to let a grown-up man give you a hand, is it?
No, but I wouldn't think of troubling you.
Just a second while I pull up a chair.
Okay.
What's the first example?
You mean what's the first problem?
About the farmer and a keg of nails, likely.
Farmer and a keg of nails.
Farmer had a keg of nails, and each nail weighed 1.5 ounces, and a keg full of nails weighed 97 pounds. How many nails was in the keg? I worked out that example 40 times. Used to have the answer right in my head without doing any cipher. Got extra pencil?
Yeah, there you are. Uncle Fletcher, this isn't arithmetic, it's algebra.
Uh-huh. I'll have the answer for you in a half-wit trice. There's 16 ounces to a pound, see? And all you have to do is cipher out how many ounces in 97 pounds, and then divide that by 1.5. Plunge into fractions. That don't hurt. How about a sharpen this pencil? That's a rule in anything you undertake to do, Rush. Provide yourself with good tools.
Uh-huh.
My Uncle Curtis told me that one time, and I've never forgot it. Want to accomplish something, he said, and accomplish it right, provide yourself with good tools.
Oh.
I wouldn't undertake to solve examples in arithmetic with an old dull lead pencil like this.
It's algebra, Uncle Fletcher, not arithmetic.
Oh.
It's like arithmetic, pretty much. You work with figures and all. Where the difference comes in, you have to...
Oh, fine. Your first example there don't deal with the farmer and his keg of nails, huh?
No.
Probably come along on the next page. I bet I've ciphered out that example 40 times.
Uh-huh. Oh, here's the first problem.
Go ahead.
A bottle and a cork together cost 5 cents. If the price of the cork is 1/16 the price of the...
Teacher won't flog you, or she let the grown-up fella give you a hand.
No, I don't think so.
If she flogs you, put the blame on me.
Okay.
Vic and Sade playing cards over at Ted Stembottom's, huh?
Yeah.
How is old Ted?
Name is Fred.
Yeah, enjoys cards.
Uh-huh. Shall I read this first problem?
There. Well, then, pencil sharpened. I'm ready for action.
Huh?
Fellow wants to accomplish a thing. He wants to provide himself with decent tools.
Yeah.
My Uncle Curtis told me that one time, and I've never forgot it. All right, shoot. What's the first example?
A bottle and a cork together cost 5 cents. If the price of the cork...
Hold on, I got this lead pencil too sharp.
Hmm.
Notice the point on there?
Yeah.
Too doggone sharp. Break off the minute I started to write. I'll bevel her off.
Okay.
No, when I was a boy your size, ciphering out arithmetic examples at home, I run the chance of teacher flogging me if I let grown-up people give me a hand.
Well, I guess I'm safe enough. Anyway, I really don't need any help. These problems ain't very hard.
There we are.
Uh-huh.
All beveled off and ready to go.
Uh-huh.
There's 16 ounces in a pound, Rush. There's your starter. Now, how many pounds did the keg weigh?
It hasn't got anything to do with any keg, Uncle Fletcher.
No?
It's about a bottle and a cork.
Oh?
I'll read it to you.
Likely the example where the farmer's got a keg of nails comes on the next page.
Yeah.
All right. Read her out loud.
A bottle and a cork together cost 5 cents. If the price of the cork is 1/16 the price of the bottle.
Uh-huh. Here's how you go about working that out.
I haven't finished it yet.
Fine. First, I'll put it in easier language so you can understand it. You're a little boy, and you got yourself a bottle with a cork in it. Here's what you do. You say to yourself, this bottle and cork cost me 5 pennies. 5 pennies makes a nickel. Follow me, do you?
Yeah.
All right. They want to know how much money you spend when you buy just the cork, right?
Right.
Fine. Well, your farmer's got a bottle with a cork in it that costs 5 cents.
Uncle Fletcher, this has got nothing to do with any farmer. It's not arithmetic, it's algebra.
Algebra, huh?
Yes.
Algebra's first cousin to arithmetic.
I expect it is, but the way you go about solving algebra problems is to let x equal the unknown quantity and form an equation.
I broke my half-wit lead pencil again. See?
Yeah.
Got to twist it around the palm of my hand like a lay braid as you busted off clean as a whistle. I'll sharpen her up and bevel her off.
Okay.
Nothing to cry about.
No.
I'll sharpen her up and bevel her off.
Oh.
How'd them figures read again?
A bottle and a cork together cost 5 cents. If the price of the cork is 1/16 the price of the bottle, what does each object cost separately?
Fine.
It's an easy enough problem.
Oh, plunder, yes.
You let x represent the price of the bottle. You let 1/16 x represent the price of the cork.
I wouldn't.
Well, sure.
I wouldn't.
Well, I suppose there's other ways of doing it, but this is the way we got orders to do it. Well, sure. You let x represent the price of the bottle. You let 1/16 x represent the price of the cork. Then you form your equation. You know that the bottle and the cork together cost a nickel, so you write down x plus 1/16 x equals 5 cents. Then you go ahead.
Oh, Rush.
Well, sure.
Look, hey, your farmer's got this cork.
Well, they don't even mention any farmer in the problem.
They mentioned farmer in my arithmetic book when I was a boy in school studying that example.
Did they?
Yes, sir. And here's how us lads went to work and ciphered her out. In the first place, any dimwit knows that if a bottle and a cork cost...
Telephone's ringing.
Yes.
I'll get it.
Go ahead. Wouldn't be anybody wanting me. Oh, there's 1 chance in 8 million. It's my landlady.
No.
Don't bank on that.
Oh? Oh, yes, Rooster. Rooster Davis.
Oh?
How are you, fella?
Rooster's a good boy.
That's good. Oh, fine as silk, thanks. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, Rooster, I understand they are. Both Leland Richards and Bluetooth Johnson called up and asked me to go. Uh-huh. Yeah. No, I can't. Got a big algebra assignment for tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, too. Well, have a good time, fella. You bet. Okay, fella. So long.
What's eating old Rooster?
Oh, nothing much.
He's home ciphering out arithmetic examples, too, likely.
No, he's on his way downtown to watch the fat men play handball at the YMCA.
Fine. Rooster will make the grade. He'll get there. Good boy, Rooster.
Yeah.
Rooster reminds me a good deal of a lad I used to know there in Dixon, Sam Henfobble. They called him Cunningham for short.
Cunningham short for Sam?
Yes, Cunningham Henfobble. Married a woman 18 years old.
How old was he?
21.
Oh.
Cunningham Henfobble visited every state in the Union before he was 30.
Really?
Visited every state in the Union before he was 30.
Huh.
Took his wife with him, by George.
Oh.
They went to Kentucky and to Tennessee and New York and all them states.
Huh.
South Dakota,
Huh.
Missouri, California, Arkansas, Ohio,
Huh.
all them states.
Huh.
South Carolina,
Huh.
North Carolina,
Huh.
Texas, Wyoming, New Hampshire, all them states. Minnesota,
Alabama, I expect.
Alabama, Vermont, Michigan.
Florida?
Sure, Florida.
Colorado?
Colorado, West Virginia, Maryland, Oklahoma.
Mississippi?
All them states. Massachusetts.
Delaware?
All them states.
Pennsylvania?
You bet, Pennsylvania.
Huh.
Sam Henfobble. They called him Cunningham for short. Married a woman 18 years old. Visited every state in the Union before he was 30.
Kansas?
Yes, Kansas, Nebraska, Maine, New Jersey.
Arizona.
All them states.
Well, hey, I better get at this algebra.
When Sam Henfobble was a boy Rooster Davis's age, he looked enough like Rooster Davis to be his brother.
Huh.
Back to business, by George. Freshen me up one of them figures again, Rush. The half-wit farmer had a cork, huh?
Yeah.
Read her off.
Bottle and a cork together cost 5 cents. If the price of the cork is 1/16 the price of the bottle, what does each object
Hold on.
What's the matter?
I broke the half-wit point on my lame-brained lead pencil again.
Did you?
See? Can't get no place of the busted lead pencil, hey, Rush?
No.
Can't work no arithmetic examples that way. I'll sharpen her up and double her off. I'll sharpen her up and double her off.
Which concludes another brief interlude at the small house halfway up in the next block.